What's going on, y'all? All right, so here's the deal. And I'm doing this video because hopefully it'll help somebody else not get frustrated with Lyft Support. So I get a request. It was in a warehouse district, right? I get there, I hit the arrive button. About a minute and a half in, I get a phone call from the rider telling me he was actually at the airport. But that's not where the pickup address was. And and I hit arrive, so the app knew I was where I was supposed to be. But if you leave that area and say they cancel the ride while you're halfway to them, you lose out on any kind of cancellation fee because you're not where the pin was dropped. Okay. So the guy calls me, tells me at the airport. I tell him that's 1.5 miles away. I can't come into the airport. Some kind of fee structure. He says, okay, I'm going to cancel the trip. He cancels the trip. I'm going to tell you what the guy did. He set the pin on purpose north of the airport so he could pay less for the ride going to Miami Beach. And then he figures he'll just pull a rope-a-dope, okey-doke on me. All right? So anyway, that wasn't going to happen. So I contact support. And as you can see, I'm telling them the ride was for an address that I arrived at. Hit the arrive button. When he called me, the rider said he was actually at the airport 1.5 miles away. I went to the location and the address for the pickup, waited for the rider who was in the wrong location. So how is that I cannot collect the cancellation fee? I get a response. Someone will respond to you in the next few minutes. And you can see the timestamps. I tell them the address that they sent me to. See the timestamps. Welcome to Lyft Support. We understand. We value your time and effort. Please just give us a few minutes. Okay? No problem. Now, mind you, now I'm driving. And they disable text while you're driving, but you can still use speech to text to get a hold of them. Okay. Thank you so much. Can you confirm the rider's name? Yes, it was him. Thanks for confirming. Give me a few minutes. Okay, thanks. That was at 9:09. 9:14, I asked them if they're still there. 9:16, yes, I'm still here checking on this. Please bear with me. 9:36. 9:36. 20 minutes later. Does it really take this long for a review? I mean, you can see I did everything correctly. As soon as I hit the send button, thanks for your message. We're currently helping someone else. Like, what the hell? You're supposed to be helping me, but now you put me on hold. You know what it is. They don't want to pay. Okay, sorry for the delay in resolving your concern. We're experiencing technical issues due to the high amount of chats we're getting. Please give us a few more minutes to continue looking into this. Let me tell you what's going to happen. And I'm only doing this because it ain't the money. The cancellation fee is going to be like $3. I'm doing this because I want to explain to the newer drivers out there, don't get frustrated with this. Don't lose your temper over $3. It's not worth the stress. I'm getting screwed on this ride. That's the way it's going to be. I've been down this rodeo before. So instead of getting pissed off at it, just keep moving. Just keep moving because it's not worth it. Oh, and by the way, the ride, I took it because it's extremely slow. Like stupid slow. So it was paying me to go 30 miles, $50. Right? So about $1.75 a mile, which is a little under, but still acceptable on a very slow night. But man, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. But listen, if you got any questions or comments, or if you've been through this, leave them down below for me. Otherwise, don't get pissed off and frustrated with this stuff. It's $3. Really. $3 ain't going to make or break you. All right, y'all. Be easy.